Hi guys, it's your girl Mimi. Mimi is a period. Guys, thank you for all your support, my subscribers, my viewers. I greet you all. Happy Sunday. I am here in Senegal, nailing it with Senegalese manger, Senegalese food. So guys, stay tuned. Guys, this is one of Senegalese food. Name of this food. What do you call this food?
Mbakala.
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 Mbakala yap.
Hi guys. This is Senegalese food, one of their food. As you can see, this is their onion sauce and couscous. Let's see. Couscous and salad.
Vermicelle.
Vermicelle. Salad c'est onion sauce, right? And salad c'est comme
The mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Wow.
Okay, mayonnaise. Cool.
Mayonnaise one.
And this is how it is after all the mixing. Like if they are serving you here, this is how it is. And this one is all the salad. Man, these people they eat healthy. Yeah, they eat healthy. I will say so. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'll be updating you guys with more of this. Okay, this is beef and this is chicken. Man, good food is going on here, guys. Yeah, they call it muru. This bread is called muru. They use it to eat a lot of things. Yeah. So guys, stay tuned. I'll be updating you guys of Senegalese food. Okay? So that's how they eat it, as you can see. So guys, this is how the food, the rice I just showed you people on fire. This is how it turns up. I had to put my own pepper to be able to eat it because these people, they don't eat pepper at all. They don't eat pepper. That's how the food looks like. Guys, look at my face. Let me see how it turns out. Join me, guys. I don't know how far I'm going to eat this. Whoa. Okay. My face reaction, right? It's sour. These people, they love sour food. Everything, they like it to be sour. Well, what can I say? I'm not gonna. Guys, it's not easy in another man's country. Funny enough, today is Sunday. No Nigerian restaurant is open. So I have to eat this, whether I like it or not. I have to eat it. Well, the food here, some of the food I really love to eat here, they are bread and they are chips. Sort of. I have the chips video here. Yeah. I have it put somewhere. Here. Wow. This is supposed to be a good food because this is a big hotel and their kitchen is big, as you see. Here they have restaurant, club, and rooms and all that. So I'm guessing this is supposed to be one of their good food, right? Guys, What can I say? I have to survive. I'm here in Senegal for content. And little by little, I'm getting it. So guys, see you on my next episode. I'm just going to stop this video here. When next I show you Senegal food, maybe I'll be in I don't know, a bigger restaurant or something. I just don't know, but right now this is all I've got. Guys, stay tuned. Mimi got you. I have more content for you. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, just if you know you love food and you want to see other countries' food here in West Africa, subscribe to this channel. Just follow me back to back. What are you waiting for? Subscribe, guys. You guys know how it is now. Let me love you. I'm going out of the way for you guys. So please, all you need to do is just support this girl by subscribing. And let me feed you with Senegalese manger. They call this manger. Ça là c'est manger. And I'm speaking French too, little by little. Alright, guys. Like I said before, subscribe, like, share, and comment. You know how we do it here. I love you guys. Bye for now.